All right, third gen 2016 Toyota Tacoma. Been looking to get some seat covers or something to do to put over these cloth seats just to protect them and so they don't rip in that, or maybe for comfort as well. For the seat so far, I did put the risers on right here, these seat risers. I got the eBay version, a lot cheaper than the other ones they sell for like 80 bucks a pop. I just got these off eBay for a third the price and they're working fine. So what did I do? We went to Lexland. I saw this on Team Oil Drop, one of the best Toyota Tacoma channels out there. And I purchased these for about 200, with a coupon, if you look and get a nice discount, about 230 bucks. Took about 6 weeks to get here. I had to ship from China since they were out of stock. They feel really nice. Look at that, little perforations right here. Here's they even protect the TRD logo. How do you guys get it cut? The TRD logo. I gotta look at this. Is that? I gotta look how I take that off. Wait a minute. I don't want. This is good to know. This is the first look here. Hold on. And if you look inside, okay. All right. There are instructions. Always read the instructions, and they actually give you little hooks, little gloves, and then I love these things. If you ever get these things, keep them. These little pry things, plastic pry bars. All right, I'll read the instructions and we'll install them. As you can see, I bet I have to cut that. I'm not going to rip anything, but it has the red TRD underneath. And right now I got a little doggy cover here. And we'll see. These really seem like they're going to be nice. We'll see how they work in the sun. We are in South Florida heat, and we'll go from there. All right, what else did we get? We got the seat covers. Really seems like quality stuff for what it is. I'm going to let them bake in the sun for a bit. Let's do the front seat right here. Let's get these off. Front seat cover right here. Let them cook a bit in the sun so they stretch. Probably down here in Florida, it'll probably take like a minute and I'll be good to go. So let's do that. There, put that up on the hood, the roof. There we go. Get that thing cooking so it can stretch right over the seat. All right, we'll get back and see how easy this install is. I got to read the instructions first. All right, got all the seat covers laid out in the sun. Just wanted to loosen them up, soften them up to make the install go easy. I'm going to go look at the PDF they sent with the QR code and then make sure I do this the right way the first time. And here is the PDF installation instructions. So when you get this, you'll know how to do it. I put the one driver's seat on. I still have to attach the brackets on the front driver. I just want to get one, and I'll show you a video of that. And I still have to zip up that side piece. And I just want to get one seat done completely to make sure I got everything understood how to do this. There you go. So they give you nice instructions on the installation. Oh, I didn't know they gave me an armrest cover. I already bought one aftermarket. All right, I'll have to try that one. Okay, good to know. There you go, guys. I will be back and we'll show you the driver's seat installed completely. Okay, we got the driver's seat on. So you can compare. There's the TRD. This fits nicely under these. Tucks right in. There's the stock seat. Compare the difference. Now, one thing on installation, just be mindful if you have the bar right here for the seat adjustment, make sure the cushion goes under between that and that. Don't put it underneath. I had to redo it. So make sure you tuck it up under the bar right here. And then you got these straps you just hook to the frame. And then here's the SRS airbag opening. So it is SRS airbag, so that's good to go. All right. I sat on it, and with my risers, you get a little bit, because it's brand new. It's a little tight, but with this heat down here, these are going to mold right in real easy. No real wrinkles, no creases. Actually, they shipped it really good, so I give them credit. Not bad for the price. Pretty nice, and it feels good. A little baggy there, but that'll settle right in, and they feel really comfortable. So I got a lot to do now. Knowing what to do, this one over here should go easier. And there is one especially here for your driver's seat, so you can get around this one. There's definitely, make sure you try to put the right one in. It goes around the nub. It goes around the back adjustment as well. And then not too bad. All right, I like them. And then when I'm done with all of them, I'll do another video. I can remove the dog cover in the back. And it is so hot, I am dripping sweat here in Florida. So yeah. Not bad. This is a 2016 TRD Sport, so I can use a TRD. Ooh, I got the black and red shift knob. I already had this from Amazon aftermarket. Okay, and this is the cover here. Old, new, so maybe I will replace this. It's about the same thickness. But the only difference, this one puts straps across, this one kind of fits in. We'll see. No big deal. Okay, center console cover is on. A little trickier to get that on, but just had to work it around using that little orange pry tool a little bit. Get the straps here. Make sure it closes. Yeah, it looks better than the old one. The old one was gray and faded. All right, we got to do the passenger side. There's the side-by-side. Okay, got the rear bench seat cover installed. No real problems, just a matter of working it on and putting the straps on. Make sure you bring the seat belt over top, pull your other buckles up through, and you are good to go. I don't do the middle headrest because I want to see out. It blocks the rear view mirror, but these look pretty sharp. I mean, they fit really good, and I can imagine over time, as they break in, they're going to fit even better. You gotta make sure your seat belts are out here. Seat belt over here, I just tuck into that little clip right there. Easier said than done. There we go. Yay. Yeah, not too bad. They're almost too nice. I was getting them for the dog, but geez, I might still have to put a cover on. So one more seat to go, and that's it. So let's go over here. Let's walk around together. Tundra flag. Tundra, Tacoma. What did I say, Tundra? All right, let's do this angle. There you go. There you can see, I like the comparison. So there's the new, that's gonna, these creases, obviously, they'll fade out. They'll smooth out after time. And there's the old worn cloth seat. Not worn, but just stock, old, used. Here's this. Comparison. Anyway, looks pretty good so far. One more to go. Okay, here's the final product. Passenger seat on. Driver's seat. Looks 100% better. Pretty good fit. Oh, I still gotta haven't tucked that one in right, so I'll fix that one here. Tuck that under. Yeah, I missed that, so I'll tuck that in. And we got the back. Notice the rear cushions, headrest cushions, are different than the front ones. So there are two smaller covers for the back ones and then the two bigger ones for the front ones. I was wondering why having trouble getting one of them on. Anyway, other than that, not too bad. Just a hot day. This is a little puffy, but I'm sure this will tighten up or fit up better once it gets worked in. Not bad. Feels like, I mean, you wouldn't know it unless you really look that these are covers. So there's some crinkling here. Over time, that'll come out. Just got to keep tightening up and just put some wear on it. All right, there you go. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. I never had seat covers this nice before. And for the price point, it's not too bad at all. For a 2016 Toyota Tacoma, I think it's a good improvement. Nice TRD right there. Matches the shift knob. This new, yeah, I'm glad I replaced this because then it all looks good. And it's comfortable too. It's very comfortable. Airbag, so it is compatible with your airbag. All right, let me know what you think. Have you used these before? I know there's other brands, other models, other styles, but I saw this, like I said, on my boys from Team Oil Drop, and I said, I'll give them a shot. Why not? Why not? Okay, tell me what you think. I'm out of here. This is took longer than I thought because I'm an idiot, but it was hot too. It is hot and humid, but that helped with the material because it was loose and easy to slip over stuff. It wasn't freezing, you know what I mean? Tighter leather, tighter pleather, whatever it is. Looking good. I like it. There's your shot right there. Can't go wrong with the Tacoma. All right, guys. Some Tacoma material for you. I hope you enjoy it. I am going to go take the dogs for a walk. And I think this thing is nicer than I thought it was going to be for the back. So I am going to put the doggy cover back over. All right, what do you think? Okay, guys, take care. I'm out.